we'll see what Viking's going to be doing with a little bit of a Queen Charge Dragon Rider. Good luck, Viking.
Yeah, Queen Charge Dragon Rider, one of the most powerful strategies right now to use, and at the same time, it is not that easy, not that hard, sorry, to pull off. Like, it's a Queen Charge, and as long as you keep your queen alive, which sometimes sounds easier than it's done, but at the same time, if you keep your queen alive, things are always looking really, really good. So let's see if you can make that work and keep this queen alive to make sure that this push towards the town hall maybe is somehow working.
Yeah, he's going to be looking to get this value. And one of the things that Viking interesting did mention is, what was his pre-game rituals does he have when he's doing his attacks? Well, he loves to do his attacks from his bed. So some people maybe you like to do it on the couch or somewhere anywhere, but hey, he has a specific location where he does it most comfortable to be focused. But he's going to try to charge this world champion towards the multi-target inferno on the bottom side. But can he keep this queen? What a beautiful wall break to get into the core by the scatter shot.
Yeah, that is an awesome charge right there. And I think at this point, maybe we're going to see the dragon right from the bottom side. That's what I want to say. But the clan castle is completely wrecking that queen, which means the queen ability is not there anymore. And there is the blimp. The blimp, is it going to make it? Yes. It reaches the town hall. The town hall should go down with those sneakies.
The town hall, come on, you're about to go down, starting the dragon riders from the bottom side. Good down. Oh yes, the sneakies do take it out. Beautiful, nice job keeping this queen alive. Is getting a ton of value. Has two more rages of that queen, but remember, does not have the he doesn't have the queen ability, but the headhunters are working onto the enemy queen there.
Wow, what a beautiful charge. This is exactly what we talked about. Keeping that queen alive is the key thing with this strategy. He has 1 minute left, but there is not too much space left, actually. Like, the queen is getting through that wall. Okay, never mind. She has changed her mind, going for a different wall. But with just one air defense left on the back, and I think this should be an easy 3-star in as well.
Oh yeah.
And even with the rage, just making sure, and this is something which I really love about this attack, like, do not try to swag, because, well, time might be a tiebreaker. So using the rage is showing that those players really want to win. This is not like, hey, I'm swagging for a style, whatever. You don't win with swag points. You win with a tiebreaker with time. So this is a really smart move of Viking, and they're getting in the next 3-star for his team.